Hello everyone, welcome back to Sawdust and Circuits. Today we're making a bubble machine. Now this all started when I got this bubble machine. I decided I wanted to build the smallest bubble machine ever. And technically I did. But physics had some opinions. It turns out if you make a bubble ring too small, the velocity needed to move the bubble solution becomes so ridiculous, the universe basically says, stop, just stop. But hey, I'm no quitter. So we're making the smallest 3D printed working one anyway. Here's what I came up with. I bought a 10-pack of these tiny gear motors over a year ago, and they've been haunting me from the parts drawer like use us or stop pretending you're ever going to. But today they finally get their moment. The cool thing is these motors have two outputs, a slow geared front output and a full speed rear output. Perfect because they can blast air and spin the front bubble ring all together. For powering this, I'm going to use a Type-C breakout board. My original prototype was Type-C powered, so we're staying with that. Now the fun part, this motor is rated at 24 volts DC. So how do we get there from a USB? Enter the step-up transformer. This little board will take our 5 volts from the Type-C and boost it to, honestly, whatever makes the bubbles the best. Do I know what that voltage is? No. Do you? Also no. So we're discovering this together in real time. The wiring is super simple. Type-C board to the step-up transformer, and then the transformer to the motor. Stuff everything inside the housing, and pray to the gods of fluid dynamics. These projects don't always work, and at any given moment, I probably have 2 or 3 builds sitting in project purgatory. Not working, not broken, just staring at me. Time is always the enemy, and your likes and subscriptions genuinely help keep these experiments going. So hit that like button, it really does make a difference. Alright, moment of truth. Look at that, it's doing its job. Maybe later we'll have to see if the cat approves. Well, that's about it for today's build. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and should I scale this up or make a multi-ring version, or maybe build the world's loudest bubble machine next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.